Good morning, students. Today we will do our next poem titled by The Ball Poem. Here aside I have written few word meanings that you will copy down and it will make you understand better this poem. Firstly, I'll read this orange part which is there. You can also read from your books. A boy loses a ball. He is very upset. A ball doesn't cost much, nor is it very difficult to buy another ball. Why then is the boy so upset? Read this poem to say what the poet thinks has been lost and what boy has to learn from the experience of losing something. So, children, basically, this poem is about a little boy who has lost his ball. He was playing his ball once. The ball skipped from his hand and went into the nearby water body. Let's see what will happen over here or through this poem, what basically or symbolically poet wants to teach us. Let's start reading. What is the boy now who has lost his ball? What is he to do? So here basically poet is describing a boy who was playing with a ball. Okay, when he was bouncing the ball in a street, the ball goes away from him because there was a slope in the street and the ball entered into a small river or stream. Okay, and the boy is watching his ball going. Do you know ball bounces? When he bounced the ball, because of the slope of the road, the ball went bouncing. Okay, suppose there is a water body, the ball entered here and goes from here. Okay, boy is standing and watching his ball was going, but because of small age he couldn't catch his ball. Okay, when poet asked from the boy replied that I saw it going. I saw it go. Merrily bouncing. Merrily means happily bouncing. Meant to say when the ball was bouncing, it was looking as if the ball was happy. Merrily bouncing down the street. Meant to say street was a kind of a slope was there. Then it is written then merrily over, meant to say when ball was bouncing like this from here. Okay, suppose here is a river or a small stream, ball entered in this water body. Okay, then ball goes with the flow of water. Boy is saying, boy who was watching his ball go happily, okay, by bouncing and entering into the water body, then this happiness was ended, mean to say the ball bounce was ended and the ball started going with the flow of water. No use to say there it is in the water. It what? Ball. No use to say oh there are another balls. Children, you should put focus on this line over here. You can have more balls. An ultimate shaking grief fixes the boy. Here fixes means shake. Okay. That boy loved his ball very much. When his ball had entered into a water body, okay, so he was very sad at that time, or this incident had made that boy very sad. As he stands rigid, rigid means hard. It was really very hard experience. As he stands rigid, trembling means shivering. Okay, staring down, staring means continuous looking his ball going down. All his young days into the harbor, where harbor means a place of the sea coast. Okay, where ships can come and rest for some time like this. Okay, so it can also be called as harbor. This place can also be there. Okay, we can count it. Next it is written over here, his ball went, I would not intrude. Okay, I who? I in this line I is the poet. Okay, in this line I is the boy who was playing with the ball. This you will write in your books. Okay, After it, I'm reading next line for you people. Then it is written over here, all his young days into the harbor. It means that when he lost his ball, here what lost that boy has born? The loss of ball. Boy has lost his ball, which has made him very sad. He got that much sad. He was saying that all his young days went into the harbor along with the ball. Mean to say, all his happiness has gone along with the ball. Because children at a very young age or tender age, students or children, whether boys or girls, they cannot face the loss. Suppose, remember, in your childhood, if your any toy was broken, you cannot made yourself, mean to say, you could naturally be sad at that time, okay, as if anything valuable is broken or you have lost something. So here, that's why that boy got sad, and he started feeling that all his young days into the harbor, meant to say, all his childhood happiness had gone into the harbor. His ball went. Children, from this place, poet is started his act, whatever he has done. Poet was saying that intrude, meant to say, to enter without permission. Here poet said that I was watching that boy, okay, becoming sad at the loss of the ball, but I will not interfere. Okay, a dime means a 10 cents coin. Okay, so here sometimes students imagine, if a child's toy is broken and he is crying bitterly, sometimes parents say, don't cry, I will get you another toy. Okay, so but here poet wants to make that boy mature, because it is our life. Many time in our life we have to face the losses. Sometime we have to face sad phases in our life, so we have to be mature with the time. All the time with the childish behavior we cannot move in this world. Okay, then he senses first responsibility. Here poet did not want to interfere in the child's sadness. Okay, he wanted that child to grow up or to be mature, to handle that sadness on his own. Okay, that's why he did not interfere. He senses first responsibility. Okay, this is also a lesson for we people. We should know how to face the loss, how to bear the sadness. We should overcome from our depression on our own. Sometimes parents cannot be side by with us, sometimes any friends cannot be, so we should learn to be mature. We should learn how to face the loss. Then children, look over here. From this point I am describing this time. In a world of possession mean to say, I have written over here for you people, possession means materialism, means material of the world. Okay, in the world of possession, people will take balls will be always lost. Children, look, this time it is repetition over here. Balls word has been repeated over here, but here the poet does not mean that toy ball. Okay, here the poet means that responsibility. Okay, responsibility. On the other hand side, a symbolic meaning. Ball means materialistic things. Okay, possessions. Sometime it can be your car, your house, your money, your salary, your profits, and many things. Okay, so here you need to understand this poem with the symbolic meaning of the ball. Okay, in the world of possession, people will take your balls, mean to say, sometime people will take your possession, sometime people will snatch your house by fraud, sometime you may lose your land. Balls will always be lost, means it is a life. Sometime profit you will face, sometime loss. It is also the part of life, little boy. And no one buys a ball back, mean to say, once if you have lost something, no one can get it back to you. Money is external. He is learning well behind his desperate eyes or sad eyes. This epistemology means theory of knowledge, epistemology of loss, how to stand up. knowing what every man must one day know. It means to say, so in our life, one day everybody have to be mature, everybody will have to learn how to face sadness, depression or loss on their own. Everybody, or every time we cannot get any friend or family around us who can make us comfortable. So this maturity we should acquire in our life as soon as it is possible. Rather than crying on one loss, we should do hard work for achieving the next target. So, and most know many days how to stand. So here basically we have ended the poem. Poet is saying everybody should know how to stand in every situation. Thank you so much.